In today's video, I will be showing you how to make Alle Belle. For the filling, we add 2 cups freshly grated coconut and 1 cup grated jaggery. Mix until well combined. Do not overmix, as this can make it runny. In a separate bowl, add 2 cups of plain flour, 1 teaspoon salt, add 3 cups of water. Make sure you add a little at a time and stir. Stir until the consistency turns smooth. Add 1 whole egg and mix. Keep mixing until there are no lumps. The batter consistency needs to be a bit thin and runny at the same time. Heat a pan on medium heat and spread some oil. Pour the batter onto the pan using a ladle. Swerve the pan in order to control the batter, as shown. Cook for 40 to 50 seconds on low heat. Put 1 tablespoon of the filling on the side of the pancake. By using a spatula, roll from the edge like this while it is still cooking. Every 10 seconds, roll it until you get to the end. By doing this, it is still cooking the batter. This quantity should give you about 13 to 15 pancakes. Thank you for watching.